Hello, I am Jairus Allen, and as part of this demo, I'm going to illustrate how to actually configure a VM from a Ubuntu headless server running PHP VirtualBox, and Vagrant. So the first step what we do is like here is our Ubuntu headless server that has actually been configured and which is up and running. So to connect to it, we'll actually issue the Vagrant SSH command. Once this command is issued, we'll be able to log into the Ubuntu headless server machine. So once we are up there, the first task that we actually do is we install a certain set of packages and software for demonstrating the particular task. So as part of this particular playbook.yaml file, I have configured it to install Oracle VirtualBox, a couple of packages that it is dependent on, and the Oracle VirtualBox extension pack. So we'll go ahead and install all these by running the playbook script, Ansible playbook script. So one particular assumption of this before running this is we have to manually install Ansible in the Ubuntu headless server. So once that is done, we can actually use Ansible playbook command to run any Ansible YAML files. As you can see, that's progressing pretty well. So once this is done, what we'll actually go and do is, so right now we see this task has been completed. So what we do after this is we go to a different YAML file, which has been configured to install PHP Apache 2 server and the PHP VirtualBox. And we actually configure a user who will be able to log into the PHP VirtualBox once it's been configured. So let us go and run this particular script using Ansible again. So yeah, so as you can see, it's running. So once it's completed, we'll go to the browser and we'll open a session wherein we can actually go ahead and create or launch a new VM. So this task was pretty quick and it's completed. So let's go to the browser first. I've configured my URL as per this particular thing that's entered in my browser. So once I go here, it just goes and directly logs in. So I'll just log out. So I'll try logging in again. So once I actually enter the password and username, I'll be able to log in. So out here, I'll go create a new VM. So let me create it as Cheris DevOps demo. So I will just create an Ubuntu 32 flavored VM for just a demo purpose. So I'll just use a default set of configuration that's actually given provided by PHP VirtualBox. So once it is done, I'll create it and you can see it's like right now powered off. I'll click on this and when I go to start and click on start, this will actually fire up and the status changes to running right now. So this is what has been configured